Hello everyone. In this video, basically we will try to solve previous year question paper of Delhi Judicial Services examination. That is preliminary question paper of 2008. That yeah, and we have 200 question almost. Let's see how many question we can do in this single video. I will try to solve all 200 question in a single video, but let's see how is it possible, uh, how it gonna be possible for me. Okay, so the first question is the Hirakund Dam is constructed on the dash river. Why this is not working? Wait, my pen is not working, so we can't write anything without our pen. Yeah, now it is working. The Hirakund Dam is constructed on the Dash River. Before starting this previous year question paper, let me tell you, we both are solving this question paper. Okay, I am not saying that I know all these question one and only. So we are discussing together. Apart from that, nothing else. That's it. The Hirakund Dam is constructed on the Mahanadi River. Mahanadi River. Second question, Dr. Rajendra Prasad's professional calling was law. The seat of intellectual property appellate board is in Chennai. The seat of intellectual property appellate board is in Chennai. Where in India in 1708 did Guru Gobind Singh Ji proclaim the Guru Granth Sahib Ji as the next most sacred and final Guru of the Sikhs? That is Nanded. Next question, Nanded. The next question is, in India, female lawyers constitute 30% of total number of lawyers. And let me remind you, this question has came in 2008. So there is no relevancy of current affairs and the actual fact of then datas comparing to today's data. Next question, Oliver Wendell Holmes, the author of the Common Law, was a judge of the United States Supreme Court. The author of the seminal work in jurisprudence, A Theory of Justice, is John Rawls. The author of seminal work in jurisprudence, A Theory of Justice, is John Rawls. And let me clarify you, there are many students who can't afford these previous year question paper, who can't able to find these previous year question paper online. For those students, this is the question paper, and we both are going to solve together. Apart from that, we don't have to worry much about it. We will learn together. Question number 8, the present Attorney General of India is, talking about 2008, Milan K. Banerjee. The Montreal Protocol, a multilateral treaty on environmental protection, concerns global warming. The Montreal Protocol, a multilateral treaty on environmental protection, concerns global warming. The autography of Mr. M.C. Setalvad is titled My Life, Law and Other Things. The autography of Mr. M.C. Setalvad is titled as My Life, Law and Other Things. Question number 11. Uh, uh, on balance is the autography of Justice Laila Seth. Question number 12. In granting pardon under Article 72 of the Constitution of India, the President of India is not bound by the judgment of the Supreme Court of India in the matter. Is not bound. President of India is not bound by the judgment of Supreme Court of India or the advice of the Supreme Court of India in the matter whatever he has asked on to tell him the opinion. Okay, you can read basically these all options are visible to you, so you can read the other option. I am just telling you the answer of those questions. Which of the following is an indirect tax? Sale tax, excise duty, service tax, all of these. And now we don't have this concept, we have GST wala concept. Question number 14. European Court of Human Rights is located in Strasbourg. Strasbourg. Where is Strasbourg? European Court of Human Rights is in Strasbourg. 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 It is in France. In France. European Court. Okay. European Court of Human Rights. Question number 15. The decision in Visakha versus State of Rajasthan deals with Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan deals with Visakha versus State of Rajasthan deals with sexual harassment of women at workplace. Sexual harassment of women at workplace. Question number 16. Sir Iradi Krishna Swami Iyer was a renowned lawyer. Renowned lawyer. Question number 17. Cherrapunji is located in Meghalaya. Question number 18. Which one of the following Indian films has been entered for the Oscar Award 2000 in 2009? The right option is Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. Entered for the Oscar Award. Not won, but entered for the Oscar Award. That is Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. Let me see its theme. Which movie it is? It was Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. Hmm. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 19. Kaziranga National Park is known for being a habitat for one-horn rhinoceros. 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 One horn. One horn rhinoceros. One horn rhinoceros. This is how they look basically. If it is visible. If it is visible. Next question. Question number 20. Zozila Pass is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Zozila Pass is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 21. The National Law School in Patna is called Chanakya National Law University. Chanakya National Law University, that is in Patna and known as National Law School, or the National Law School in Patna is called Chanakya National Law University. Question number 22. The predecessor of Mr. N. Gopal Swamy, the present Chief Election Commissioner of India, was Mr. B.B. Tandon, and we are talking about in 2008. Question number 23. The number of branches of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh is 3. That is 2. The number of branches of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh is 2. Question number 24. The International Court of Justice is located in The Hague. Wait, yeah, The Hague. And it is in Netherlands or what? The yeah, it is in Netherlands. Question number 25. Saina Nehwal plays badminton. Question number 26 to 30. We have directions. Choose the option to fill the blanks. Question number 26. Tribals dash on forest land for generations cultivating and collecting forest procedure for collecting forest produce have been residing. Tribals have been residing on forest land for generation cultivating and collecting forest produce. Question number 26. Question number 27. Question number 27. Media broadcast of courtroom proceedings are neither authorized permitted. Why it is neither comma nor are nor authorized permitted. We can use both, I guess. A media broadcast of courtroom proceedings are nor authorized permitted. Question number 28. Every child between the age of 6 and 14 years dash a right to education. Every child है ना, every child has a right to education. Question number 29. There is no clear idea what the special economic zones dash for us. Question number 29 are doing. There is no clear idea what the special economic zone are doing for us. Question number 30. The book under review is unremarkable. It adds a little to our understanding. The book under review is unremarkable. It adds a little to our understanding. Now, next question has directions. Now, next questions have directions. That from question number 31 to 34. Read the passage below to answer these questions. What is that passage? Freedom, the absence of coercion, can be valueless to those. Freedom, the absence of coercion, can be valueless to those victims of unrestricted competition to poor to make use of it. So it will be pedantic to point out to them that those starving they are free. This is the truth exaggerated by the Marxist whose identification of poverty with lack of freedom confuses two different evils. Let me revise this passage one more time. Freedom, the absence of coercion, can be valueless to those victims of unrestricted competition to poor to make use of it. So it will be pedantic. It will be pedantic to point out to them that those starving they are free. This is the truth exaggerated by the masses whose identification of poverty with lack of freedom confuses two different evils. I didn't very to be very honest, I don't didn't able to understand the meaning of this passage. So question number 31st, the above passage, what was the option of 30? Adds a little to our understanding. Question number 31st, its right answer is mm, the above passage expresses concern about the victims of unrestricted competition. Unrestricted competition. Question number 3, that is question number 32. According to the passage, the two different evils pointed out are poverty and lack of freedom. The right option of question number 32 is poverty and lack of freedom. Question number 33, in the context in which it is used in the passage, the word pedantic means pedantic means it is pointless. Okay, that's nice. Let me read it one more time. So it will be pedantic to point out to them means pointless. So I can use the term pedantic in place of pointless. It is pedantic. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Pedantic means pedantic means pointless. Question number 34. Question number 34. The author of the passage emphasizes the author of the passage emphasizes the importance of providing livelihood to the poor and not freedom alone. uh, you have to do one thing. You can pause the video and you also have to read the same questions with me with its options, with its right options. Okay, so it will improve your you will be more vocal, okay, towards the English thing, and we both have to learn together. So I am doing the practice of it, and you as well have to do the same. Question number 35. While doing, at least we have learned many questions. Apart from that, we learned a good word, that is pedantic, that is that it means pointless. Yeah. Question number 35. A person is said to be look. What is this? Loquacious. A person is said to be loquacious if a person is said to be loquacious. We are on question number 35. A person is said to be loquacious if he is talkative. Loquacious. He is very talkative. He is loquacious. He is loquacious. Pedantic, pointless, loquacious, very talkative. Got it. Question number 36. A knock nocturnal animal where is the term nocturnal in this? Do we have pedantic? We have, that is pointless. Apart from that, we don't have any similar word with nocturnal animal. 36 is active during the night time. Nocturnal animal. So owl is an we can say owl is an nocturnal animal. Question number 37. The expression red tape denotes excessive bureaucracy or adherence to formalities. Excessive bureaucracy or adherence to formalities. Question number 38. The expression raison d'etre means the reason for the existence of a thing. The reason for the existence of a thing, we call it raison d'etre, the reason for the existence of a thing. Question number 39. The word propriety, the word propriety means appropriateness or suitability. Question number 40. The word proscription means denunciation or condemnation. The word proscription means denunciation or condemnation. Question number 41. The word demurrer means an objection to the relevance of an opponent's point, which even if granted stay till point is settled. An objection to the relevance of an opponent's point, which even if granted stay till point is settled. Question number 42. The word extol means an enthusiastic praise, an enthusiastic praise. Question number 43. A liberal means. Question number 43 means a liberal means An open-minded person free from prejudice means a person who is not who is not biased, free from biasness, prejudice. Either it means as biasness or free. Question number 44. A person joins issue when he raises an objection. A person joins issue when he raises an objection. Question number 45. In reply to para 10, deponent dash and therefore does not admit contents thereof, refutes. Question number 46. The statement of law in the aforementioned judgment is well known, and the statement of law in the aforementioned judgment is well known and is therefore unexceptionable. The statement of law in the aforementioned judgment is well known and is therefore unexceptionable. Question number 47. The risk of flash floods dash in the dash of forests increase. The risk of flash flood increase. Question number 47. Increases in the absence. The risk of flash floods increases in the absence of forests. Question number 48. As a whistleblower, this employee was a person who was courageous to expose the misdeeds of his colleagues. Question number 49. The dash in corporate criminality signifies the dash of corporate governance, the rise and failure. The rise in corporate criminality signifies the failure of corporate governance. Question number 50. The word intrepid, intrepid means to be fearless or brave. Intrepid means fearless. Question number 51. The word fervor. The word fervor means an intense feeling. The word fervor means an intense feeling. Question number 52. The word lexicon means a dictionary. The word lexicon means a dictionary. Question number 53. The word corollary. The word corollary means. Question number 53. The word corollary means practical consequences or a result. Practical consequences or a result or an outcome. Question number 54. The word axiomatic means self-evident. Now question number 55 to 64 comes with the direction, and it says choose the option which is similar in meaning to the underlined part. Question number 55. The Prime Minister was informed of the happenings. The Prime Minister was apprised of the happenings. Question number 50. Apprised. Inform, apprised. Apprised. Question number 56. On his retirement, his colleagues showed high flown praises. On his retirement, his colleagues showed how high flown praises. The right option is encomiums. On his retirement, his colleagues showed high flown praises. Showed encomiums. Question number 57. Her friends included some who were equivocal. Her friends included some who were equivocal Question number 57. The right option is of doubtful character. Who were of doubtful character? Her friend included some who were of doubtful character. Equivocal. Question number 58. The grave man or the gravamen of the charge was of insubordination. The right option is the essential part. The essential part of the charge was of insubordination. Gravamen, essential part. And see, we have a lot of things to learn from this previous year question paper. So at least try to solve as many as previous paper as you can. Okay, that's what I have decided to do. Question number 59. The sting operation reflected the impudence with which the public servant had behaved. The right option is impertinence. Impertinence. Question number 60. When it came to giving for him, it was no holds barred. When it came to giving for him, it was no holds barred. Question number 60. The right option is extremely gorgeous, extremely generous, extremely generous, extremely generous. Question number 61. The result of the match is anybody's guesses. Sorry. The result of the match is anybody's guess, that is unpredictable. Question number 62. Her efforts at meeting her friend came a cropper. Her efforts at meeting her friend came a cropper. The right option is were futile. Were futile. Question number 63. Question number 63. From the moment they met, there was no love lost between them. From the moment they met, there was no love lost between them. 63's right option is no love lost. They developed a complete dislike of each other. Question number 64. When it came to the political parties, there was little to choose. When it came to the political parties, there was it little to choose. Was little to choose. Question number 64. The right answer is option 4. That is, neither was better than the other. Neither was better than the other. Now, question number 65. From question number 65 to 67, it comes with a direction that says choose the option to fill the blanks. Question number 65. The word im improvisation means something done on the spur or spur, not definitely not spur but a spur, something done on the spur of the moment, something done on the spur of the moment, that is improvisation. Question number 66. On 15th of August 1947 was a dash occasion in India's history. Right option is momentous. Momentous. This is momentous. No, momentous. Right option is second. Question number 67. Given the scope of judicial review, the court should determine the correctness of and not dash the decision being reviewed and not supplant the decision being reviewed. Question number 68. The arbitration clause did not cover the subject matter of the dispute as it was an accepted matter. Accepted तो ये है, accepted. Third one, accepted. Question number 69. Dash is antithetical to equality. Dash is antithetical to equality. The right option is option second. Dash is antithetical to equality. The right option is arbitrariness. Arbitrariness. Question number 39. Dash is antithetical to equality. The right option is second, that is arbitrariness. Arbitrariness is antithetical to equality. Question number 70. That no one should be condemned unheard is trait. That no one should be condemned unheard is trait. See the question number 71. He was in his own world dash careless of what was happening. He was in his own world careless of what was happening. Question number 72. This is wholly unbelievable. It is clearly a dash of his imagination. Figment. This is wholly unbelievable. It is clearly a figment of his imagination. Question number 73. The author of this, question number 73rd, the author of this verbose, the author of this verbose judgment is not exactly known for his brevity. Question number 74. Her intolerant nature meant that she did not her intolerant nature meant that she did not forgive fools gladly. Her intolerant nature meant that she did not forgive fools gladly. Question number 65. Question number 75. Discretion is the better part of valor. Discretion is the better part of valor. Discretion is the better part of valor. Question number 60, 70, 76 to 100. There is a statement against each of these questions. Read the statement and confirm whether it is true or false. Mark the answer as first if it is true, second if it is false. Now see the questions. Question number 76. The central government can appoint one or more public prosecutor for any case or class of cases in any district or local area. Question number 76. The central government can appoint one or more public prosecutor for any case or classes of case in any district or local area. The right option is for question number 76 is true. Central government can appoint one or more public prosecutor for any case or classes of case in any district or local area. Question number 77. A person who has been in practice as an advocate for not less than 7 years can be appointed as a special prosecutor. False. Question number 78. If means इसका होगा first, इसका होगा second. Question number 78. In an appeal for enhancement of sentence, the appellate court can order the retrial of the accused by the competent court. First, that is true. Question number 79. The offence under section 138 Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 is compoundable. True. That is first. Question number 80. Plea bargaining is not available in India for an offence which is punishable with more than 7 years. 7 years is imprisonment. Its right option is first. That is true. Question number 81. Plea bargaining is available for an offence committed against a woman. Second, that is false. Question number 82. The offence of criminal breach of trust under section 406 IPC is compoundable without the permission of the court. That is false. That is false. Question number 83. Under the IPC, the word man denotes an infant boy as well. True. Man includes everyone. Question number 84. The IPC does not extend to Jammu and Kashmir. Now it extend up to Jammu and Kashmir, but we are talking about 2008. So it is right if, because we are solving in 2008. Question number 85, the publishing of the name of a rape victim who is a minor is not an offense if it is done under the written authorization of the victim. The right option is first, that is true. Question number 86, the High Court can punish for competent of sorry the High Court can punish for contempt of a court subordinate to it. The High Court can punish for contempt of a court subordinate to him. Subordinate to him what? Subordinate to it what? To court, to any person. Question number that is, it is false. Second. Question number 87, right to free education for any children between the age of 6 and 14 is a fundamental right. This is true. First. Question number 88, the right to stand for election is a constitutional right. False, because it is a fundamental right. Right to stand for election is a constitutional right. Right to stand, sorry, it is not a constitutional right, and not neither it is a fundamental right. The right to stand for election is a constitutional right. Right to stand for election, but it should be constitutional right. Now anyone can stand for the election, for taking participation in election as a candidate. Okay, by the way, its right option is second. I don't know why. Maybe I have not understood the question clearly. Question number 89. Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, who is very famous justice, was a member of Law Commission of India before his elevation of the Supreme Court of India. True. Question number 90. The sentence of default in payment of fine can be simple. Sentence of default in payment of fine can be of simple imprisonment only. That is true. Question number 19. A will is required to be compulsory registered. True. Otherwise, it doesn't have any mean or value. Question number 92. There is a right of appeal against award of an interstate water dispute tribunal. False. Question number 93. The minimum age of a person to become a member of parliament in the Council of State is 30 years. True. Question number 94. The Attorney General of India has a right to speak and take part in the proceeding in Parliament. 94. True. There is a separate constitution for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. True. Every woman is automatically entitled to legal aid under the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. True. Question number 97. The elections to the Legislative Council of a state are conducted by the concerned concerned state election commission. The elections to the Legislative Council of a state are conducted by the concerned state election commission. The election of a Legislative Council of a state are conducted by the concerned state election commission. This is false. It would be conducted by Central Election Commission or National Election Commission. Question number 98. The comptroller and Auditor General of India is a constitutional authority. 98. That this is a true. Question number 99. The National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission cannot directly entertain a complaint where the claim is less than 5 crore. This is false. 2. Wait. The Comptroller Auditor General of India is a constitutional authority. This is true, not false. True. And the option will be first. This is gonna be the last question for today's video, and I will continue just after 5 minutes, but I don't want to continue the whole video, keep the whole solving of this question in a single video, because if I would be technically not audible, I have to check. Otherwise, my whole what we call hard work gonna be in ruin. My whole hard work will ruin. So for maintaining that, I have to pause this video, stop this video on question number 100. Then I will then I will check whether I was audible in each portion, and then I will again start the of solving question paper from question number 101. So last question is the jurisdiction, or the jurisdiction to entertain a petition for prevention of operation and mismanagement under section 397 and 398 of the Companies Act 1956 lies with the High Court. The option is second, that is false. Okay, and I have to stop here, and I will continue in the remaining question from question number 101 to 200 in next video. Up till then, have a good time, keep practicing. Thank you.